Now let's talk about user input. One of the primary ways a program can interact with its users is by getting inputs from them. In Python, obtaining user input is straightforward and efficient thanks to the built-in function input. The input function is used to read a line of the text from user. It waits for the user to type some input and enter key. Once the enter key is pressed, the input function returns the entered text as a string. Let's see an example. So in our Python project, I will create a new Python file. User input. Okay, so name equals input. Please enter your name. And after that, we can print the name variable. Okay, so let's try to run our Python file. Please enter your name. Look. Hello, look. So yes, we can see that our program works.